How to remove PMI US Bank. PMI stands for Private Mortgage Insurance, a type of insurance policy that protects the lender if a borrower defaults on a home loan. To remove PMI, private mortgage insurance, from your US bank mortgage, you'll need to reach 20% equity in your home. PMI is typically required when the down payment was less than 20%. Once your loan balance is at or below 80% of the home's current market value, you can request PMI removal. You should submit a formal request in writing to US Bank, and they may require a home appraisal or value assessment to verify your home's current value. Be aware that you may need to cover the cost of the appraisal. It's important to maintain a good payment history, as US Bank typically requires your loan to be in good standing. If you don't request PMI removal, US Bank is legally required to cancel it automatically when your loan balance reaches 78% of the original home value, provided your payments are current. Thanks for watching.